The tragic and forgotten story of American Airlines Flight 706. On the early morning of June 8, 1964, American Airlines Flight 706 prepared for what should have been a normal, uneventful journey across the United States. The aircraft, a Boeing 720, was scheduled to fly from Los Angeles, California to New York City, carrying passengers who were beginning business trips, family visits, and long-awaited vacations. At the time, air travel was entering what many called the golden age of jet aviation. Jetliners symbolized speed, progress, and safety. A few passengers questioned whether flying was dangerous. On board Flight 706 were 49 people, including experienced pilots, cabin crew, and everyday travelers who trusted the system completely. None of them knew that within minutes of takeoff, their aircraft would be destroyed in one of the most horrifying mid-air collisions in American aviation history. A routine departure. Flight 706 departed Los Angeles International Airport, LAX, shortly after sunrise. The Boeing 720 lifted smoothly from the runway and began its steady climb eastward. Weather conditions were excellent. Visibility was clear. Air traffic control communications were normal. Inside the cockpit, the crew followed standard climb procedures, communicating with air traffic controllers as the aircraft gained altitude over the Southern California desert. Nothing about the flight suggested danger. But high above the desert, another aircraft was moving fast, far faster than the commercial jet. A military jet enters the picture. At the same time Flight 706 was climbing, a U.S. Air Force F-100 Super Sabre fighter jet was returning from a training mission near Edwards Air Force Base. The F-100 was a powerful supersonic aircraft designed for speed and agility, not passenger safety. During its descent, the fighter jet entered airspace used by civilian aircraft. At the time, airspace separation between military and commercial flights was far less controlled than today. Radar coverage was limited, and communication channels between civilian air traffic control and military operations was dangerously inadequate. The fighter jet pilot, descending rapidly, likely never saw the American Airlines jet until it was too late. The moment everything went wrong. At approximately 5,000 feet above the desert near Palm Springs, the unimaginable happened. The F-100 Super Sabre collided directly with the Boeing 720. The impact was catastrophic. The fighter jet struck the rear section of Flight 706, tearing through the fuselage and ripping off the aircraft's tail, including critical control surfaces. Without its tail, the Boeing 720 became completely uncontrollable. Witnesses on the ground later reported seeing a massive fireball in the sky, followed by pieces of the aircraft separating and falling toward the desert floor. There was no mayday call, no warning, just sudden silence. Inside the cabin, passengers would have experienced violent forces in the final seconds. The aircraft entered a steep dive, breaking apart as it fell. Within moments, Flight 706 slammed into the desert terrain at extreme speed, exploding on impact. The fighter jet also crashed, killing its pilot instantly. All loss of life. All 49 people aboard American Airlines Flight 706 were killed. There were no survivors. Rescue teams arriving at the crash site were confronted with a scene of devastation. Wreckage was scattered across a wide area of the desert. The force of the impact left little recognizable debris. Personal belongings, fragments of the aircraft, and twisted metal were strewn across the sand. For families waiting in New York and other destinations, hope slowly turned into heartbreak as the reality became clear. Flight 706 was gone. The investigation revealed a deeply troubling truth. The investigation into the crash was not caused by mechanical failure, bad weather, or pilot error aboard the commercial flight. Instead, it was the result of poor airspace management, insufficient radar coverage, and a lack of coordination between military and civilian aviation authorities. At the time, military aircraft frequently conducted high-speed training flights near commercial air routes. There were few safeguards preventing fighters from descending into civilian airspace. Radar coverage was limited, communication channels were imperfect, and responsibility for separation was unclear. In those few critical seconds, there was no safety net capable of preventing two aircraft from occupying the same sky at the same time. The collision did not merely destroy an airplane, it exposed structural flaws that had gone unnoticed and largely unchallenged. The tragedy forced aviation authorities to confront an uncomfortable truth. Progress without coordination was dangerous, and assumptions about safety were not enough to protect lives. In the aftermath, Flight 706 became a catalyst for change. Military training routes were redefined, civilian and military airspace coordination was strengthened, air traffic control systems were modernized, clear boundaries replaced vague oversight, shared responsibility replaced divided authority. Though the passengers of Flight 706 never reached their destination, their loss reshaped the system that now protects millions of people every day. The crash stands as a lasting reminder that safety in the sky depends not just on technology or skill, but on unity, communication, and accountability. A turning point in aviation safety. Though the loss was devastating, it forced change. As a direct result of Flight 706 disaster, military training routes were redefined to avoid commercial airways. Coordination between civilian and military air traffic control was strengthened. Air traffic control systems were modernized. Airspace classification systems were improved. These reforms dramatically reduced the risk of future mid-air collisions between military and passenger aircraft. A quietly forgotten tragedy. Despite its importance, American Airlines Flight 706 faded from public memory. It did not involve terrorism, there were no survivors to tell the story, and over time, newer disasters replaced it in headlines. Yet, its legacy lives on every time a commercial aircraft safely crosses American skies. Every improved radar screen, every protected flight corridor, and every strict airspace boundary exists in part because 49 innocent people lost their lives that morning. Final reflection. American Airlines Flight 706 reminds us of a painful truth. Aviation safety is written in lessons learned from tragedy. The passengers of Flight 706 never reached their destination, but their loss reshaped the system that now protects millions of travelers every day. And though history may overlook them, the sky remembers.